Okay, so it's been a while since you last saw the bodywork. The guys have been cracking on here. So Graham, our body shop supervisor, is now going to go through and show you what they've been up to.
Following on from the last video, we've continued with the metal work on the 308. As you saw in the last one, there was a certain area of corrosion to the chassis legs. As we've got deeper into the removal of that, we've discovered that it wasn't just the outer chassis leg that needed replacing. We've ended up replacing majority of the front end from the battery tray to the radiator mounts. As you can see from the red areas, which is the oxide on the primer that we use, that has all been replaced. What appeared to be just a small amount of rot has ended up being pretty much the majority of the front end of the car. The worst part being the end of the chassis leg. It's totally worn and rotted away, so that needed to be cut out. But in doing so, has meant to get to that one panel, we've had to end up taking out the battery tray, the closing panels, the bumper irons, all to allow us to get to that one panel. Right, well the next thing we do once we've cut out all the old metal and replaced it with new is we go through the stages of dry fitting at an early stage. Reason being, obviously you can imagine all the heat distortion, the fact that we just cut out all that front end of metal and replaced it, we need to make sure the car's still aligned. There's no point getting further down the line to find out the headlights and the rads and the bumpers don't fit. So that's why we do it now, as well as later on. We try and keep the process going throughout the build, especially